Elon Musk announced on the development of Xmail, a new email service. There are many circulating rumors over the recent months that Google's Gmail might be shutting down, a speculation sparked by a fake image on social media. While details remain sparse, Musk's revelation on his platform X, following a query from Nathan McGrady of X's security engineering team, hints at an upcoming integration within the X app, potentially shaking up the email service industry. This announcement raises anticipation for Xmail's launch date and features, marking a significant step in Musk's vision for X to become an everything app. Gmail currently dominates the global email market with over 1.8 billion active users, but the introduction of Xmail could introduce a new dynamic in email services. Industry observers like social media strategist Rhea Freeman express curiosity over the potential user adoption of Xmail, considering Musk's controversial changes to Twitter and the mixed public opinion on his ventures. The development of Xmail, possibly at Musk's AI-focused company xAI, underscores Musk's ambition to expand X's ecosystem, leveraging artificial intelligence to innovate and potentially disrupt traditional email communication. I would hope that the design for Xmail is based on the style of user interface that is used for Tesla screens, as they have a great-looking, modified version of Android. Xmail should definitely encompass everything good about Gmail and Outlook, but have a differential in aesthetic and some new things that make the system better. Also, the storage should be unlimited for personal and corporations. In a corporate aspect, if he can solve the spam and phishing issues that plague other providers, then he can make millions and take a lot of business away from the Outlook on the corporate side. What do you guys think of a possible Xmail coming soon, and would you be willing to pay for the product and its services? Let us know your thoughts in the comment area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. See you at the next one.